Take the wheel off. You can use a 22mm socket. Take the lug nuts off. So it's stuck. They're all sticking. Remove the wheel. Loosen up the jam nut. You can use a 21mm wrench or a 13/16. Get that on there and just loosen that up. Use an 18mm socket, take this nut off. Now we're going to pop the tie rod end off. You can use different specialty tools, front end tools, but this actually just popped right out. Now we're going to twist this off. I'm going to count the threads, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Write that number down. Now put the outer tie rod on and count the threads going on. The same as what you wrote down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And that's just going to bring it closer for the alignment. You're still going to need an alignment, but it'll be closer. Now we can slide the knuckle and the tie rod through the knuckle right there. Slide it down. Let's turn that so you can see it. Put the castle nut on. Now torque this to 18 foot-pounds. You want to make sure the hole lines up for the cotter pin. If it doesn't line up, you can tighten it up a little bit more. Slide the cotter pin through, then use some side cutters. Just bend it down. And trim the rest. And just make sure you snug up the jam nut. That's good. Put the wheel on. The lug nuts on. Now I'm going to torque the lug nuts in a cross pattern to 140 foot-pounds. Go around again, double check. Keep in mind, after you do this repair, you want to bring the vehicle to a local shop to have it aligned so that you don't have premature tire wear.